Hello, I'm Janelle,
And I'm AJ.
and this is the A&J Show.
Today's topic is about school bus moments.
So Janelle, what is yours? Oh, well, we were waiting for the bus to come. This girl and this boy. This boy slapped the girl and pushed her against the wall, and she was about to punch him in the face, but the teacher got her. He pushed her against the wall so hard. Oh my gosh.
So I should ate the bricks.
Alright, here you go, AJ. What do you got to say?
Okay.
We got some crazy kids on the bus.
Alright. My school bus moment is when I was in 5th grade, like 2 years ago. And there were two Mexicans in the back of the bus. They were kissing. They were tongue kissing. Exchanging gum. It was nasty. I remember. Here's what happened. They were tongue kissing, and then the bus driver stopped the bus, came back in there and said, "Do I need to rent you to a room at Holiday Inn?" And then they started laughing. So that's one of my school bus moments.
Okay, thank you. And if you have any requests on what you want us to talk about on the show, just comment and we will answer your request. Thank you and goodbye.